Up here I could feel.
You could feel that, couldn't you?
More sensitive. That's it.
All right, I'm going on the sensitive area. You okay?
Yeah.
We didn't go too hard, did we?
I'm still sitting here.
Yes, you are. Got a tender spot, sorry. Those tender spots are the areas that have been out of alignment for a long time. Push against me and relax. Let your head go back. I'm going to bring this down just a tiny bit. I'm going to cross the arms in front of you, but before I do that, let me get a cushion here. Open your arms up just a little bit.
My teddy bear.
I'm going to get you a teddy bear. Take a breath. Blow it out. Big breath. Blow it out. Big breath. Blow it out. Good. Not too hard on you?
Still here.
Let's bring you up. Good. Let's get you moving around. Good first experience.
We're done for today?
We're done for today. I'll see you either on Thursday or Friday. We're going to start all twice a week. Let's see what changes we can make, okay? Sound good?